Today we've got another watch review from Paul Rich. These guys have been an absolute favorite of mine to examine for the last couple of years, and you guys seem to prefer this brand as well over other brands that I've made videos on for the past few years now too. So I've made a point to keep an eye on their stuff as they come out, new things, new updates, things like that. And today we are looking at a recent new drop from this lineup, the Aquacarbon Pro in Midnight Silver and Aventurine. Now, according to the brand, the Aquacarbon Pro Diver's Watch was designed for precision and reliability. They say it's available in both quartz and automatic movements and has several features that make it your ultimate companion for conquering the depths with accuracy and confidence. And looking closer at some of those features, they include a stainless steel case that is 43 millimeters in size and silver in color. The glass, of course, is sapphire crystal, and underneath that is a Paul Rich standard beautiful watch face with luminous dials. The timepiece also comes in several colors. This one is the Aventurine and Midnight Silver. As you can see on their site, they have a lot of awesome color options for both the face and the strap. Under the hood too, on this one, we have an automatic Japanese Seiko NH35A movement. You can also get this one in a quartz movement as well, but this is the one I have here, and they say it's water resistant to 200 meters. Moving over to the strap now on this one here, it is a rubber strap material, and it has a length of 210 millimeters with a width of 30 millimeters to 20 millimeters top to bottom. Putting it on the wrist now, actually wearing this thing, I can share that it's very comfortable to wear on the arm. I personally prefer the Paul Rich metal bands. That's just me. That's just the ones I like. I really love what they've done with their metal bands, but I have tried a few of these rubber bands from this brand too, and they're fine. There's nothing wrong with them at all. In fact, I'm sure there's some out there who are the opposite of me and actually prefer the rubber bands, you know, like the one that this has. And to be honest, it's very comfortable. The rubber is very soft. It's not irritating to the wrist at all. And, you know, there's really nothing wrong with it at all. I just kind of like the metal ones better. It's just kind of what I like. I also want to mention that it's not too heavy on the wrist either. I think this one weighs in, what did I read? It weighs in at like 102 grams or 102.4 or something like that. So there is some weight to it, but I like to call it quality weight, meaning it's weight that kind of gives off a sense of quality, meaning it doesn't feel light and cheap. But I also want to mention that it's not super heavy on the arm either. It's very comfortable. It's not too heavy or intrusive or anything like that at all. For pairings now too, or outfits that you can pair this with, I think it opens itself up to many different options. I think we've got different ways we can go for sure. We have something that's definitely more upscale in the watch face, the design of it, and the casing too. So you could absolutely pair it with a suit jacket or something more polished. You could go something like a sweater or jacket if you wanted to. So I think overall you've got several options at your disposal. The only look I'm kind of debating on is like a t-shirt with what I'm wearing right now, a t-shirt like this. I'm thinking with a t-shirt like this, I'm thinking a nice t-shirt would look fine. I think it would look great. I think it does look great actually, but I'm also thinking there's a line there where it kind of starts to look out of place. Like if you're wearing gym shorts and a Nike shirt or something like that, would this look out of place with that? That's where I'm kind of on the fence. I mean, what do you guys think? Would you wear this watch with a t-shirt or something like you're going to the gym? I don't know. I probably wouldn't, but you know, I don't like to comment on everybody else's preferences and styles. Everybody likes different things. So, but just let me know what you think down below. I'm always interested in hearing what you guys think. As far as this watch goes though, bringing everything together on this one, I think this is another home run in my opinion from Paul Rich. These guys are just completely killing it right now. I love the look of the watch. I love all the details. I love the function. And I've learned a lot from you guys in the past, you know, looking at other watches and talking to you guys in the comment section. I've learned quite a bit. You know, I'm not quite, you know, there yet with my education, but I've gotten kind of enough sense from you guys in the comment section to know what to kind of look for. And I've really appreciated some of that information that I've got from you guys. It's you know, been enough that I could actually turn down some watches. I get a ton of watch review requests, and I have actually taken some of that information that I've learned from you guys and actually turned down a lot of brands, and I've been able to focus more on brands like this and you know, timepieces like this, and I absolutely love this watch. I can't say it enough. I don't want to lay it on too thick, you know, and come on too strong, but I think this was another home run for this brand, and I absolutely love this brand as well. So if you'd like to check this out for yourself, a link to this exact watch is right down in the description, along with any discounts I'm able to get on your behalf. I don't get anything off any codes. I don't know if we have any right now or if they're running any sales. I don't get anything off of that. That's just for you. I think this exact watch, this is the automatic version. Once again, I think this goes for, or is it $499? I think it's $499 US for the automatic movement. And then I do know the quartz movement is exactly $100 less. So I believe that's $399. So once again, I highly recommend you look at not only this timepiece, not only this one. I really love this one, but I recommend all that you check out at least the other ones from this brand as well. And you can find all that in the description once again. That's all I got though for today. Make sure you do the usual for me, like, comment, and subscribe. That's a huge help to me. And for the comment part of that, for the comment, besides my question to you on the t-shirt debate, which watch from this line would you like me to examine up close for you next? Let me know on that as well. I always take that into consideration. I very much appreciate that. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.